Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to get keys in Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Complete daily challenges and missions. Tap on the missions button from the bottom left corner of your screen. Again tap on missions. Here you can see the missions that you can complete. Keys are often rewarded for finishing your daily challenge streak or completing mission sets. So keep playing every day to earn those bonuses. Participate in events and season hunts. Limited time events and season hunts sometimes offer keys as rewards. Check the event tab regularly and complete tasks to collect them. Open mystery boxes and super mystery boxes. These boxes can contain keys as part of the random rewards. You can earn or buy them with coins and tokens collected during your runs. If you want to buy mystery box, tap on the shop button. Then search for mystery boxes. You can get it by spending 500 coins. Just tap on it. Watch ads for rewards. Sometimes after a run, you'll get an option to watch an ad and receive a free key. It's quick and easy way to get a key. Just tap on it and watch the ad. At the end, you will receive the keys. Achievement reward. Tap on missions from the bottom left corner. When you complete your achievements, you will be able to get certain amount of keys from it. To claim it, just tap on the collect awards button. And that's how you can get keys in Subway Surfers.